Assalamu alaikum student. Here we welcome back to everyone. Hope you are doing good. All are good with the health. See student, this video is my last video for the practice set 3.6. So today I will start these sums, and you know our deduction portion already I had informed every my student. Remaining 4 sums of this exercise is question number 6, 7, 5, 6, 7. You have 7 questions. So 1 to 4 we have to solve. 5, 6, 7 is deducted from your syllabus for this year's student. Okay. So we will continue what the syllabus is given to us. Shall we start, student? Factorize the following polynomial. The polynomial is given to you. You have to factorize. See, before this also I had uploaded one video about the factorization. You know now. So what is the factorization? Square variable number. So first term and last term we multiply and we want the middle term. You know that the pattern what we have learned already in the before this lecture. So student, same thing we have to follow, but some things are different from that, but the basic concept are same. Shall I start? See, now we have to identify that these two terms, what are the questions they given us, they are same sequence or not, same terms or not. If they are having same terms, so what we have to do, we have to take the common. See, I can see I have the same bracket or same term. So what I am going to write here, let x square minus xbm equals to m. You can write, you can take any of variable, but I have taken m, that is very convenient to solve it. Okay. So instead of x square minus x, I will going to take m. Wherever I have x square minus x, I will going to take a m there. Okay. So see the question, x square minus x the whole square. So I should write m the whole square, right? Minus 8 as it is. X square minus x, instead of that I will write m. Bracket is means multiplication, right? So I will not going to put the multiply sign. You know variable between 8 and m I have the multiplication sign, right? Plus 12. Now say first term and last term we multiply 12 into m square, 12m square, and here I have to take the middle term as minus 8m. The same concept you already have learned. Okay. Now which number should I take to make in 12? I want the product 12 and plus minus I want the product as 8. ऐसे हम कौन से numbers ले सकते हैं? बताइए student, which number should we take? So should I take 12 6 or 6 12? 6 2 12. You know which number should be? We have to take, because we have to take like two numbers that should be multiplied and we got the product, and that same number should be plus or add. I should get an 8 there. Understood? 6 2 12 and 6 plus 2 I will get 8. See what I am saying? Plus 6 plus 2. Okay. Now second step, I have to put the variable. First time I have to take the number, I have to select the number. Second time I have to put the variable, and third time I have to put the sign. Right now? So which sign I should put here? I have middle sign minus. So should I put minus sign first to the bigger number? Okay. Now what I have to do, I have to add these two numbers. 6 plus 2 I have to do, right? So while doing plus, which sign should be here? I should take minus, because minus minus became plus, right? Minus minus क्या बन जाएगा? Plus. Okay. So instead of 8, I will take, see, m square minus 6m minus 2m plus 12. Means what I have done, instead of 8m I have taken these two numbers. Now before I have 3 terms. Now I had taken the middle term, so I got as here 4 terms. So I have to make the pair of group. So I have taken 2 pair of group. So that is m minus 6, right? Minus 2 bracket, see, m plus minus 12 will divide by 2, I will get 6. So I got the same bracket here, right? So that is m minus 6. Don't take capital M, m minus 2. So I got the factor, but thing is what, the factors variable are m, and I wanted the variable x, because my question is depend on x only. So what I will write, replace or resubstitute. Okay, what is it? Resubstitute m की जगह पर you will going to take x square minus x, right? जहाँ पर भी m होगा वहाँ पर हम क्या रिप्लेस करेंगे? x square minus x. So equals to m minus 6, I will write x square minus x minus 6. Here also x square minus x minus 2. Now see again ये कौन से concept में आ गया है. Now it will become again in the factorization. So now I have to factorize here. हमको क्या करना होगा? Factorize करना होगा. See यहाँ पर भी like this you have to make the column. Here middle term is minus x. यहाँ पर middle term जो product है वो 6x square. Now I have to take one of the number. See I can take 2 3s are 6, right? 2 3s are 6 or 3 minus 2 became 1. So second stage I have to put variable. Middle term में जो sign है सबसे पहले bigger number में जाएगी और I have to minus this number. So minus और यहाँ पर sign कौन सी आएगी? Plus, because minus plus क्या बन जाएगा? Minus. Okay. Now here also same thing I should do, right? So what is this? Minus x, but here I want minus 2x. So 2 1s are 2, right? 2 1s are 2. Second stage we have to put the variable. Here I have minus sign, I will put in the bigger number. Second I have to put plus because minus plus क्या बन जाएगा? Minus. So 2 minus 1 will be 1, right? So now we have to solve this bracket. So x square, instead of middle term I will take this 2 number, that is minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. Here also see x square minus x, or instead of minus I will take minus 2x plus 1x minus 2. Okay student, now I have to solve first this. So I will take x out. So what remain? X minus 3 became inside, in, plus I will take smaller number out, that is 2. So x minus 3 2s are 6, right? So my first bracket got solved. What about second bracket? In the अब we have to take common, that is x. अंदर क्या बच जाएगा? In x minus 2, right? Plus sign as a middle. First and third and last term से we will take a smaller number, that is 1. So inside x plus minus minus 2 will divide by 1. I will get 2 only. So I got the same common bracket in both the terms. So I will take the common out and uncommon in one bracket. In second term also, what is the common I have taken out and what is uncommon I will take in one bracket. So that is called an factorization. Understood? Come on, I will give 2 seconds to look these sums and I will go for the next question. Okay student, so if suppose the videos are now showing the downward but you can understood, okay? तो थोड़ा सा आप लोग ध्यान देंगे इस चीज पे कि आपको क्या समझ में आया. Shall I start the next question for you, my dear student? Okay, the question number 2. Same thing we have to do. Let's see what we can see and what we can do for that. Sometimes it never show that 4 terms. हाँ, ये 4 factorize नहीं दिखाया जाएगा. कभी-कभी आपको 2 भी दिखाया जाएगा, कभी-कभी 3 होगा. Depends. हाँ. लेकिन आप कोशिश करेंगे उसको फैक्टराइज करने की. अगर जो नंबर्स आपको नहीं मिल सकता है देन इट्स ओके. अगर आपको मिल सकता है यू आर नॉट डूइंग द सम विल गोइंग टू रॉन्ग. ओके, नाउ आई विल गो टू स्टार्ट द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, दैट इज x minus 5 the whole square minus 5x minus 25 minus 24. That is my question. But what I see is the first question that I have the 2 common bracket, but here we don't have the common bracket. But we can see that we can take the common out from the second bracket and we can make the as same as the first bracket. See how we can do. X minus 5 as it is. I am doing what? I am making the bracket common. Okay, so I am taking common out. So instead of this I will take 5. So x minus, if 25 divided by 5 or 5 are here. So I can see this, I got the 2 common bracket. X minus 5, x minus 5. So I will write here, let x minus 5 be m. Okay, so wherever x minus 5, I will write m. So x minus 5 the square. So I will write m the square minus 5m minus 24. Now I will factorize, right? I can factorize that number, guys. I can 24 m square will factorize with minus 5m. Come on, student. Which number should I take to make the product as 24, and that should number plus and minus, I will get that 5. चलिए बताइए कौन सा हम ऐसे नंबर्स ले सकते हैं. 8 3s are 24 student. 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24. Variable right. Middle term I have minus, and here I will do because plus minus minus 8 minus 3 I will got 5. Understood? So m square minus 8m plus 3m minus 24. So I will take select the common terms out. चलिए बताइए दोनों में कॉमन आपको क्या दिखेगा? You can take out m. What will remain? If we have 2m, 1m is out, so 1m will be inside, right? Minus 8m, so m is out. I will get 8 here. From this I will get 3. So what is m? Plus minus minus 24 divided by 3 I will got 8. So I got the common m minus 8 and m common. Right. Now the sum is not for m. I will again substitute, or you can replace. Okay. What replace? M की जगह पे अब आप क्या लिखोगे? What I have taken x minus 5. So wherever I have m, I will write x minus 5. M means x minus 5 minus 8. Here m means x minus 5 plus 3. Now it is not in the form of factorization. See, we can have the number here, right? So x minus minus plus. So I will got 30. Bigger number sign minus. Here also x plus minus minus minus. Here we got 2. Bigger number sign minus. So that is an factorization. Sometimes it never shows the 4 factors. Okay? Sometimes it will show the 2. Understood? All the students, that 4 sums are very most important because it came for 4 marks, 3 marks. This question can be come for 3 marks or 4 marks. You have to practice very well. Just see for 2 minutes and we will start the next question fast. Done? Okay, student. We are starting the next question, number 3b. See, x square minus 6x, 8, x minus 6x plus 8 minus 64. So students, I can see that I have the common bracket here, right? So I will let x square minus 6x equals to m. So wherever I have x square minus 6x, I will going to take m there. Okay. So x square minus 6x is the whole square. So I will add m the whole square minus 8. See, x square minus 6x की जगह पे हम क्या लिखेंगे? m plus 8 minus 64. Here the situation are different. Now we have to solve this bracket. Understood? It is not in the factorization term. So student, m square minus 8m plus minus minus 8 is the 64 minus 64. So here we have the same numbers. X square minus m square minus 8m minus minus became plus 64 plus 64 I got minus 128. Right now student, now it became in the form of factorization. So I can take the factorization. Come on. See, for this we can take the help of the factorized number, prime factor. 2 6s are, 2 4s are, 2 3s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 1 carry, 2 16s are. See, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 16 8s are 128 and 16 minus 8 I get 8. So what I am going to do here, 16 8s are variable mm. I have to take minus here because minus sign is there in the middle term. Next time I will put plus. तो minus plus क्या हो जाएगा? Minus minus plus minus 16 minus 8 I will get 8m. Understood? So instead of 8m I will take these two numbers. Okay beta? M square minus 16m plus 8m minus 128. So I will take this as in terms and common out. So what will remain? M minus 16. In between now I will take the smaller number 8 and 120 divided by 16. You know now how to take the common, because before that I have explained you. See what common I should take, and we can I take m out, because both the terms have not having. So student, I don't have m in the both term. Okay, so I will take only, now I can see what we have to do. So I will take m out, m minus 16 plus I will take m 8 out, because both the terms not having m. 120 divided by 8 I will have 16 here. So m minus 16 and m plus 8. Now I will replace, or you can add resubstitute, m equals to x square minus 6. Wherever I have m square, I will add x square minus 6. See here, student, instead of m I will write x square minus 6x minus 16. I will take the video from there. X square minus 6x plus 8. So I will take the video from there. So now I will make that sure I have to factorize the numbers. Okay. So minus 6x middle term plus 16x. 8 2s are 16. 8 plus 8 minus 2 I will got 6. Okay. Here 4 2s are 8. 4 plus 2 I will got 6. So I had same sign there. So students, see, x square middle term I will write 8x plus 2x minus 16. Here x square minus 6 plus 4x minus 2x plus 8. Now student, what I am going to do? X out, x minus 8 in. Now I will take plus 2 x minus. So I will get here x minus 8 common, x plus 2 uncommon. Here x out, right student? So inside x minus 4. Here we take 2 out, x minus 4 inside. So x minus 4 and x minus 2. So that is factorization. Okay? Student, now we will going to do the last question number 4. Do it. We can see fast that question number 4. The last question of the exercise. Okay. What is the last question of the exercise is given? Question number 4. X square minus 2x plus 3. Here x square minus 2x minus 5 minus 35. So student, I will take the common now, because I have x square minus 2x, x square divided minus x. What I let x square minus 2x equals to m. So m plus 3, m plus 5 minus 35. Again I have to solve the bracket. You know now m will multiply one time m plus 5, m plus 3 will again will multiply with the m plus 5. It is a pattern of solving the bracket, right now. M into m square minus plus 5m plus 3m plus 5 3s are 15 minus 35. See, the same term I have operate that. इन दोनों को प्लस करो 8 प्लस माइनस 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 को देगा 20 बिगर नंबर साइन 20 माइनस. नाउ फैक्टराइज. Come on. See, you can easily go over 10 2s are 20 or 10 plus 10 minus 2 I will get here. Bigger number sign plus is I get taken plus sign on bigger number and minus sign on second number, plus minus minus. So student, m square plus 10m minus 2m minus 20 Take the common from this m bracket m plus 10 minus 2 plus minus minus plus, right? So m plus 10 in one bracket, m minus 2. Replace that number. Replace m equals to, क्या लिखेंगे m जगह पे अभी हम लोग x square minus 2x. So m plus 10 means x square minus 2x plus 10. Here x square minus 2x minus 2. Now student, in this case, so student, in this case, we have to solve again the factorization. Let me see the factorization होता है या नहीं. 5 2s are 10, 5 plus 2, 2 नहीं, 5 plus 2, 3 भी नहीं होता है. So ये टर्म फैक्टराइज नहीं होगा. लेट चेक ये वाला फैक्टराइजेशन होता है क्या नहीं. क्या किया 2 1s are 2, 2 minus 1 0, 2 plus 1 3. So again in case means यहाँ पर in these sums the further it not be factorized, there is the one last solution for the sums. Understood sum? Okay student, so this is our syllabus for the first semester we had completed. Inshallah we will get the time, we will make the video and we will upload, I will upload for that for you my dear student. By that time take care. Allah Hafiz.